This is a plastic crystal cut salad bowl from the Dollar Tree. They come in packs of 4. If you want to change up your ambiance just a little bit, but don't want to really have to put any work into it, try this super easy Dollar Tree salad bowl hack. These little LED candles from the Dollar Tree are so easy to just sit around, but if you want to do something a little bit different, pop that little candle on and sit it right on top of your upside down salad bowl from the Dollar Tree. Look how cute this is. It just changes the vibe a little bit. This one is just right here in my bathroom, and here it is lit up. It looks so cool. I put a few of these crystal cut plastic salad bowls in my office on different bookshelves with the LED candles on top of them, and they look so good. This is a fun DIY where you really don't have to DIY at all. You just place them where you want them. Money doesn't grow on trees, so I love it when we have these hacks. Here they are lit up in my office. It looks so nice and just gives a different vibe. These would look great on tables for parties.